Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
So I am Aman Patel. I am from Gujarat. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Engineering in 2025 with the CGPA of 9.93 on the scale of 10. Then I have started my job as a junior AI/ML engineer in a health tech organization in Gujarat itself. So apart from the academics, I like my hobbies are art and craft, and also I am interested in machine learning and deep learning area.
All right. Please let us know your core 3 subjects that you are most confident about.
So one of them is like operating system, other is data structures, and database management system.
All right. So you were already working somewhere, and that too in the latest technology, AI, ML, right? And then you decided to appear in the ISRO exam. So why do you want to leave your current established job? People generally want to be AI, ML engineer in top companies, want to get a lot of salaries there because the salaries are really good.
Yes.
So why did you choose to go for ISRO?
Yes, so actually, I already wanted to work for ISRO or DRDO. I wanted to work for my nation, and I really want it. You can think of it is my dream job. So I actually wanted to contribute to my nation. So that's why I wanted to join ISRO or some other DRDO or BAR kind of organization.
What do you know about your role in ISRO? What ISRO does and what are your role is going to be? Have you done some research about that?
So yeah, so actually my role could be in AI/ML domain also, or cyber security domain. That would be major role of computer science engineer in ISRO. So that could be my role.
All right.
Yeah, you said operating system is one of your favorite subject. Tell some topics of operating system.
So like inter-process communication, then memory management, file management,
Okay.
process
Which
management.
is your most interesting topic in operating system?
Memory management.
Memory management. Okay.
Using I would like to add that virtual memory, because our RAM is limited, but still using the concept of virtual memory, we are able to run the program which is more than the size of actual memory.
How is it possible?
So actually, in case of virtual memory, if we consider the concept of paging, then the actual process is divided into the fixed size of pages, and the pages which are required at that particular time are only being loaded into the main memory. So that's why we don't need entire process to be into the main memory.
Okay, when you don't need the entire process to be in memory, where is the remaining part of the process?
It could be on disk.
It could be on disk.
Yes.
Tomorrow down the line in future, where it could be? Today it is limited to the size of disk, right?
Yes.
Can we say virtual memory is limited by the size of the secondary storage?
Yes.
Tomorrow in future,
Yes.
right? What can it be limited by? Disk is also limited?
Yes. Disk
I
is
have 2
limited.
TB, 4 TB.
Yes.
Can I have a program practically of size more than the size of disk?
No.
If it is, then where are you going to store the program perhaps?
Cloud.
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 Cloud is also a disk.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Futuristic storage technology, what it could be? Have you ever given a thought?
No.
Okay. Have you heard of a term called Bellardi's anomaly?
Yes.
Which topic does it comes in?
It memory management.
Memory management. Particularly in memory management?
Particularly
Related to what?
Related to paging. Paging.
Paging.
Yes.
Page faults?
Yeah, page faults.
Okay. And in memory management, there is something called page size.
Yes.
So what are the parameters on which the page size will impact? Page size will impact on what parameters?
So page size impact is decided based on the average process size, which is average process size which could be in your system.
No, what I'm trying to say, page size will impact on number of pages, yes or no?
Yes.
How?
So if page size is larger, then the less pages could be in the memory at a particular point of time.
So
If
will it be
small.
helpful for controlling the page fault rate?
Yes.
Page fault rate will be more or less with large page size.
Large if there is a large page size, so less number of the page will be in the memory. So we can say that there could be more page fault if there are multiple processes. So if we consider the global page allocation system or local page allocation system, then also we have to decide page size based on the instruction your instruction architecture size. So if you decide that your page is too small, then not even your single instruction fits into one page. So for each instruction, you will have page faults. So that is not reliable. So, and also if we have a very large page size, then only few processes could be loaded into the memory simultaneously. So we might not get a benefit of having multiple processes running at the same time.
Have you heard of a term called TLB reach?
Yes, TLB reach.
What is it?
So like using TLB, how many memory address we can access?
What is the formula for it?
So like formula for TLB
TLB reach.
TLB reach could be number of entries into the TLB into page size.
Into page size.
Page.
You prepared for GATE?
Yes, I prepared.
Then you didn't write the GATE exam or what?
I write.
What? Any rank?
In 2025, I get 2000 rank, and in this 26, I get 105.
105.
GATE CS.
So 105, but you want to go for ISRO.
Yes.
Why?
So, as I said, I wanted to serve my nation, and it is like kind of my dream
But
job.
after doing MTech from premier institute like IIT, also you can serve the nation.
Yes.
Then what
so,
is-
Yes. So if I get this opportunity now, I would like to grab. So probably I could serve more number of years. Then probably I will join after IIT. Or if there is a need persists that my knowledge is not actually as it needs to be in ISRO, so that I could also take a break, and then I will do my masters, and then I'll surely join ISRO back.
Mhm. But don't you agree that higher qualifications at an early age, is it beneficial for your career or not?
Certainly it could be.
Why could be? Okay, Mr. Bari will question on DSA.
You said yes, one of your favorite subjects is DBMS.
Yes.
Can you tell some important topics from
So the DBMS is like transaction processing is there, then like queries, SQL, then relational algebra is also there, ER diagram is also, and then normalization.
What are the tools used for database designing?
Database design for tools for database designing.
What features are used for designing the database?
So we actually we first of all look at the problem for which particular concept we are used to we could be designing the database. Then how we will approach it. So we will try to depict ER diagram to represent that particular system in a pictorial way. From that ER diagram we could convert it to the relational diagram, and from the relational diagram we will actually could be creating the tables, how it will be going to store on disk.